Namaste.
Namaste.
And welcome to Qigong with Bob and Fran. This is a special introductory lesson for newcomers and for seniors. We're seniors ourselves. We're actually entering into our 9th decade on this planet. And Qigong practice has helped us stay young and vibrant and full of energy. And we hope this helps you. All you have to do is just follow along. So Qigong is a 2-syllable word meaning energy exercise. Qigong was invented by the ancient Chinese thousands of years ago as a system for health and wellness. It still works today. The idea here is that the energy permeates everything in the universe, and our class is dedicated to inhaling that energy into our bodies to make us more vital, more energized, and to decrease our stress levels at the same time. So we're here to cultivate energy. So let's get started. First, I'd like to teach you a little bit about the stance. So we're going to separate our feet just about shoulder width apart. Check your toes to see that they're pointed forward and that your knees should be bent slightly. Your arms are just hanging loose from the shoulders, and we'd like you to turn the palms facing the back. Your shoulders are released and your gaze is forward, but you're actually sort of seeing peripherally. You're seeing around you at the same time. Your eyes should remain open and your mouth should be closed. I think the best way to start the class, as we do at home every morning, is with a short warm-up session. So we do that with soft fists. So we make soft fists and we start tapping on our lower back, just very gently, and we come up and down the spine. So we sort of tonify the spine, waking up the energy here. Good, and from here we start patting down the sides of the legs. And come down just as far as you're comfortable, and then come up tapping on the inside of the legs. A few extra taps in the groin, and then we come down the front of the legs, tapping, tapping, and getting this energy starting to flow inside of us. Good. So now we can extend the right hand, palm up, and from the top of the shoulder we start patting down, slapping into the palm. Then we turn the hand over, easy to follow along, and we tap on the shoulder at the base of the neck. Good. Now we extend the right hand and do the same thing. Reach across, sort of patting and slapping down into the palm. Turn the lower hand over, get the back of the wrist and come on up. Tapping again on the top of the shoulder. Good job. Now let's tap a little bit on the chest area. Very good. So next in this warm-up section, let's just do some easy waist turns, just turning from side to side. Slow and gentle. And sort of slap your belly area as you come across the front. Very good. Great. The next thing we'll do is some easy stretches, just a few easy stretches. The stretching is important. It keeps us flexible. It enables this energy, this qi to flow through our bodies a lot easier. So we start with our fingers interlaced just about at the belly and take an inhalation through the nose, and we breathe in and out through the nose and turn the hands out and then up. And just stretch gently upward, keeping the elbows and arms rounded here. So we push up from the shoulders. And then from this position, let's tilt to one side, and we sort of open the rib cage on the opposite side. And you can engage the neck by looking up at your fingers above. And then come to center, and then tilt to the other side. And then back. And then we're going to arch back. Keep your chin down. We arch back just slightly. You could feel that nice feeling in the lower back here. Come forward this time, dropping the hands to about the heart level here, rounding the arms out. You can feel the upper back opening here. Good job. And then from here, we're going to just lower the hands. And let's interlace the fingers in the back. And with the knees bent, we'll bend forward here and raise the arms. So we're really working a lot of different joints in our body, which we need to do every morning. And then we stand. And then let's raise the right hand up and the left hand is down. Right hand palm up, palm forward here. Left hand, the bottom hand, would be facing the back. And then we push both hands back. So this is a good way to open the chest area, then release, and then flip the hands. Push back with both again. And release. And this time we come out to the sides, open the chest wide here, and then sink, just sort of squat down like you were going to sit down on a chair, and cross one arm in front of the other, but don't touch your body. So you can feel the back opening very nicely here. Let's repeat this. Open, and reverse the arms this time. Good. And we come separate, and then down. So in our practice, we start with a warm-up, and you can do as many repetitions of these various things that we just went through, and then we move into what we call the flowing part of Qigong, which is a lot of fun and very healthful, especially as it helps us cultivate this energy. So the idea is more vitality, less anxiety. That's our goal. So let's start a simple flow. From our stance, we're going to raise the arms with an inhalation, as if strings were pulling up your arms by the wrists. And then when we get to about the shoulders, the fingertips point out, you sort of roll the wrists up, and then you drop the elbow slightly, and then the hands sink. And you sink, the body is engaged as well. So let's try that again. In breath, and out breath. In and out through the nose is the breathing pattern. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. The next exercise is called drawing up the qi, or the energy, from the earth. So you have to use what the Chinese call the yi, your intention here. So our intention is to draw up a ball of healing energy. So we start with the hands coming out to the sides with an in-breath. Then we exhale and sink down as far as you can that's within your comfort zone. And use your intention to pick up this ball of energy and bring it up to the chest with the fingertips pointing upward. And then let's continue rising the ball just a little bit overhead, separating and keeping the palms facing each other as you exhale down. So it's scoop, in breath, fingertips point to the upward, separate, and out breath. Exhale here. Breathe in. Palms face throughout, and exhale down. And one more. Inhale and exhale. This time, let's draw down that energy from the heavens. So we sink slightly, separate the hands, and draw the hands overhead or as high as you can, keeping the elbows bent, and as if you were pulling down energy from the heavens above, guide that energy down with the hands, palms facing downward. This is with an exhalation. Turn the hands up. Inhale, drawing down energy from the heavens. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. And we'll do one more. Inhale and exhale. Let me teach you something called balancing the yin and yang, the opposite energies of the universe. What this does is sort of balance our own body, make more harmony throughout our body. So it's an idea here of connecting the mind and the body. We start by sinking and crossing one arm over the other. We raise the arms up, palms face out here a little bit overhead, and then separate, and you exhale down. So let's try it again. Cross, inhale as you rise, palms face out now, and then exhale down. Slow and mindful. Take an inhalation here, separate, and exhale down. And we do one more. In breath, and down. So this was sort of an introduction for you to the idea of Qigong practice. We hope you enjoyed it. You can do these exercises every day, which we do every morning. And we have a whole series of videos that you can refer to. And we hope that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can avail yourselves of these videos. By the way, you can do these exercises from a standing position or a sitting position. But the idea is to do them and do them regularly, and you will notice that you will build more energy, you'll build a stronger immune system, and have a happy and healthy life as we are in the third of our lives. So we close by wishing you well, and we use the phrase Namaste, which means the spirit within our hearts honor the spirit within yours. So we raise our hands to the heart in a prayer-like position, short bow at the waist, and we say Namaste. Namaste.